Establish a regular posterior viewing portal and anterior working portal. After the arthroscopy, the first step is to use radiofrequency to clean the footprint area and part of the marginal cartilage in the lesser tubercle. Polish and freshen bone bed with a burr. And drill a pilot hole. A PDS monofilament was threaded through the inferomedial side of the tear, via the anterior portal using real pass suture lasso, and then exit the lasso. The PDS was threaded out with ring grasper on the posterior side of the tendon to form a loop at the tear gap. Tie a slip knot at the end of the PDS monofilament and bring in a number 2 fiber wire suture. The loose end of the PDS is retrieved from the same anterior portal. Then, through the anterior portal, lasso was used to cross a PDS monofilament again at the medial of the tear gap and the interior of the loop. Tie a slip knot again and the end of the suture was threaded through it. In the cannula the suture was retrieved through the medial of the tear gap, and located at the inner side of the ring. The ring grasper was used to pull the wire loop slightly inward, and then pull the wire to tighten the H-loop. A swivel lock anchor was used to fix the tail of the suture, and attend the tendon at the footprint. All the sutures are cut with an arthroscopic suture cutter. Finally, check the stability with a probe.